If there's one significant thing I admire about Dubai, it is their initiative to build and maintain beautiful, clean and green, and of course, free for all public parks. In this video, I am going to bring you to one of the public parks I frequently visit. After a good 30-minute walk from my place, this is Barsha Pond. It is one of the Dubai public parks maintained and managed by the Dubai government. Oops! Bago tayo pumasok sa loob, I just want to make sure that this vlog is going to be extra special. Paano? Well, ako po ang kakanta ng background music while we enjoy the beautiful scenery of the beautiful Barsha Pond. Mazbut? Yalla guys! Take my hand, we'll walk a while, we'll talk a while. Feel my love, always there beside you. Be the one, I know you tell me everything. You are the one I cherish more than anything. I love you more than you ever know. I love you more than you ever see. More than my heart could ever show. I love you more than you ever know. Think of me and know that I believe in you. There'll always be this precious time together with everything. A love so strong, no words could ever say. A love to last forever. I love you more than you ever know. I love you more than you ever see. More than my heart could ever show. I love you more than you ever know. Take my hand, we'll walk a while, we'll talk a while. Feel my love, always there beside you. Be the one, I know you tell me everything. You are the one I cherish more than anything. I love you more than you'll ever know. I love you more than you'll ever see, more than my heart could ever show. I love you more than you'll ever know. Oh, my version.
Hello.
Ito ang tinatawag nila na at the end of the song is a rabbit. Grabe. Mas napagod pa akong kumanta kaysa naglakad. But I'm sure you guys enjoyed it, didn't you? Gusto ko lang din i-flex itong napakalinis nilang restroom. At sa kabilang side naman ay meron silang free potable drinking water for everyone. Ito naman ang sports area ng park. So we have badminton courts, and that side is a monkey bar. Dito naman ang mga football fields. So dalawa yan. And right this side is a half court for basketball. Sa bandang ito naman ang para sa basketball full court, and on the adjacent side is the volleyball court. And that ends our Barsha Pond walking tour. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in my next vlog. There's free water for me. Thank you.